The big money is not in the buying and selling, but in the waiting. Does anyone know if 10 lakhs rupees were invested in mutual funds in 2001, what would be its value today?
20 lakhs.
25 lakhs.
40 lakhs.
30 lakhs.
Average return of equity mutual fund schemes over the last 20 years is 20.1%. Which means the value of 10 lakh rupees invested in 2001 would be over 3.92 crore rupees in June 2021, which is 39 times in 20 years. Staying long with your investment in mutual funds can give you amazing returns.